Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to put serial number in all cells of the table in Google Docs. So let's started. At first open your Docs file. Firstly, going to the insert menu option, then click for table option. Then create a table. Then we can show the put serial number to all tables is the select all table option. Then going to the numbering icon option, then click for the numbering icon. That's okay. Then we show the serial number in all table cells. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.